Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elsa Safitri. In this video, I'm going to explain my research title. The title is about the effectiveness of using picture series in writing descriptive text for 7th grade of junior high school number 2 Banyuasin 1. The first is my problem in my research is about the student lag in the writing descriptive text. And my research question, the first is, how is the effect of using picture series in writing descriptive text? And the second, is there any significant difference after using a picture series in writing descriptive text? And about my research objective, the aim of this study are first, to find the effect of using picture series in writing descriptive text for 7th grade of junior high school number 2 Banyuasin 1. Second, to know significant difference student after using picture series in writing descriptive text. And for my search and my proposal, I read a journal or educational book and collecting data in research. Also, I can draw my hypothesis on my research is about there are effect of using picture series, and there are significant difference after and before using picture series in writing descriptive text. This experiment use experimental research because there are two student group on my research. Experiment is a method of a social research in which there are two of variable. The first variable is independent variable. It's about the effect of using picture series, and the second is dependent variable about writing descriptive text. And then there is a quantitative variable is about the score of pre-test and the post-test, and categorical variable is a picture series. And for a mediator variable in my research is about student ability in writing, and moderator variable is core of the writing descriptive text. And the extraneous variable is about the experience of teacher and the experience of student. For the literature review, I have read two journals that relate with my research title. The first journal is the title is the effectiveness of using picture series as a media to teach writing procedure text for 10 grades of the senior high school, Bandar Kedung Mulyo Jombang. The author is Muhammad Rian, and the year of the journal is 2014. The result of the research is there is a significant difference before and after being taught by using picture series. And similar with my research using the same media to teach writing skill. And for the difference on my research, difference in the writing skill that tested, because in the title, the writing skill is about the procedure text. The test to be tested is the procedure text. Is the difference about the purpose of the test. And the second journal is the effectiveness of using picture series to teach writing in junior high school in Waru, Pamekasan. The author of this title is Yulia Rasi, and year of the research is 2016, and the result of the research is the learner after taught by using picture series have better achievement on the learner's writing achievement. And similar with my research using the same of media, it is a picture series. And the difference, the writing skill that to be tested not specific. Difference because in the title, it is only about the teach writing. It is a difference about the first research. It is research. The writing skill is to teach writing procedure text, but in the second title is only teach writings. It's not specific what the writing skill to be tested. And then because it is experimental research, my population is the 7th grades of the junior high school number 2 Banyuasin 1, and my sample is the 50 students of the 7th grades. It's class A and B. Class A as an experiment group and the class B as the control group. Experiment group is a group which is given picture series media, and while control group is a group which is not given a picture series to writing. And the next is instrument. Instrument is a tool used by researcher to collect the proposed data. So for my research, the instrument is test. And it is the include of a pre-test and a post-test. Because my instrument about the test, so I prepare pre-test and post-test for my students. The pre-test was given to both of group in order analysis whether both group were at the same length. And the post-test was given to both of groups. And the form of the pre-test and my post-test is writing about description. Okay, next is validity and reliability. I use content validity in this research to measure the validity of my research. The content validity it depends on the situation and the purpose of the test used. And the test is a factor in showing ability. For the test have a data collection schedule. The first, I conducted the pre-test, and the second, the schedule of a treatment, the writing skill, and the third is a post-test for experiment group, and the fourth is a post-test for a control group. And the next is reliability. A good test must be valid and reliable. So after get a validity in the instrument, I search reliability of the instruments. I use a post-test score to know whether the instrument is reliable or not. I using the post-test score. And after that, I calculate the score of the post-test by using the interscore mean. I think that's all for my explanation about my research title. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.